friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you all how to make this karate sword with paper which will never break. See? It will never break. To make this, you need sticks, glue, one color paper and two white color paper. First, I am going to take a white sheet and fold it into half. And now fold it into half again. And unfold. You should get a center line here. Now fold the right side to the center line. And do to the same thing to the other side. Now fold it. Properly. Unfold and put glue to one side. After putting, fold it again so that it gets stick. And press it hard. After pressing, cut on as a triangle or here, like this. Now put glue over here and stick it. You should get two openings. And now take one more white sheet and now fold it into half again. Fold it into half again. And now, but for this we are going to make it thinner. So we should fold it half again. Press the edges. Unfold and do the same thing which we did to the first one. Fold the right side one and then the left one. Before you put the glue, fold it once. After folding, unfold and put glue to one side. And now fold it again so that it can get stick. Press it. Now take the old one and put it inside it. Like this. Make sure you hold here and then put. and you should get a little bit extra here. Now take any color sheet and now fold it half again. And now fold half again. Now take the one part and fold it into half. Turn the sheet and fold this one like this. And now cut it a little bit. And you should get a W shape. And now put glue to one side and stick it. Put glue only for one side properly. It should open. Now take this part and put it inside like this. You should get a leftover part. Now fold it again. Put glue here and stick. Sticking, it looks a kind like this. Cut the extras. Now if you cut, you can see the white one or here. Now take the sticks, measure the length of the sword and break them till the edge. And now put those inside this white one so that those can be strong enough. And break the extras. Put glue here and press it so that the gap gets closed like this. And now take the extra piece which we cut over here. Open it and cut it in correctly to the middle. You will get two pieces. Now take any one piece and fold it into half. Turn the sheet and fold it into half again. And now cut a small rectangle over here like this. It should be very thin like this. Now unfold like this. You will get two holes here. Put glue on one to the corners. And fold it. And this one Put it from top. Glue or here. And attach this to the glue. This, your sword is ready. See? It cannot break because we have put sticks inside. Now you can fight with it. Hiya! This is very easy to make at home. See how nice it looks. If you want, you can decorate this by drawing some designs on it. It is ready now. You can hang these anywhere for decoration. See how nice it looks. I'm Ninja Hattori. Hiya! Make sure you like, subscribe and comment.